Good day, everyone. I am Maria J. Villegas from the BEd to be the new BMGE of CTU, Vision of CTU. CTU as premier science and technology university in Southeast Asia. Mission of CTU. The university is committed to providing inclusive, innovative, and internationally recognized degree programs that proactively respond to community and industry needs. Through the sustainable integration of its core function, empowering multi-stakeholders to address regional and national development within the dynamic context of the global knowledge economy and the latest industrial revolution. Goals of CTU. By the end of 2029, CTU will be internationally recognized for its milestone. Specifically, it will attend to the sustained quality higher education system with the Philippines in alignment with the SHIDSOC leveling and the other national and internationally standard. Develop innovative, industry responsive academic programs that require strong local, national, and international partnerships with the key stakeholders, students, faculty, industry, community, and academic partners. Align with regional and national and global development priorities. Vitalize internal resources, generations, and technopreneurship initiative driven by its intellectual asset to ensure the quality is a long-term financial sustainability and growth. Achieve and sustain high national and international university rankings through excellence and instruction, research, and community extension. Nurture comprehensive information, technology, physical infrastructure, and human resources. Development programs aim at enhancing talent, professional growth, and intentional capability to attain optimal operational efficiency. Cultivate culture of disaster resilience and well-mannered community guided by innovation, excellence, and the world-class standard. Engage actively in sustainable practices and impactful community collaboration aligned with cultural preservation and valuing humanity as the innermost core of society. Thank you for your listening and goodbye.